Hold up, gonna start this. We're going to do multitask. So we're gonna complete this 3 coin. Let's go. No música, porque. Guys, there's no music in this game. One coin. Two coin.
Let's go back to match defense. Give a shot, try to work on defense. The tide has been turned. Kenny, he is on fire at the moment.
3 coin. And we're done. We complete the 3 coin.